Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're unable to install Google Workspace Sync for Microsoft Outlook because of this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So in my case, after installing Windows 11 version 2.4H2, I am receiving this error. So after installing this update, I'm receiving this error. Now to fix it, you can uninstall this update. That's what we can do right now. Because I think this is a known issue right now. Google is working on it, I think. I'm not sure about that, but for now, if you want, you can roll back to 23H2. So you can go to Windows Update and then you can go to Advanced option, and then here you can see Recovery option. Click on Recovery, and here you can see Go Back. If this version isn't working, try uninstalling latest update. So if you agree, you can click on Go Back. Now here you can see we would love to learn more about why you're going back. So click on next, and here you can see check for updates. So before you go back to the previous version, you can, if you want, if there is any other update from Microsoft, you can install that update. Maybe that will fix the problem. So you can try that. So before you go back, try installing the latest update. This might fix the problems you're having. So you can check for update. If there is any update, let the update complete, restart your computer, and then check. Still not working, then you can click on no thanks. And here you can see what you need to know. This might take a while and you won't be able to use your PC until it's done. Leave your PC plugged in and turned on. After going back, you will have to reinstall some application and programs. You will lose any changes made to settings after installing the latest build. Are your files backed up? So it's better you back up your data. This shouldn't affect them, but it's best to be prepared. Now, if you agree, click on next. And here you can see if you used a password to sign in to your previous build, make sure you know it. You won't be able to sign in without it. And then click on next. And here you can see thanks for trying out this build. We will install the next preview build when it's available. So if you agree, click on go back to earlier build, and this process will take some time. And once this is done, you can log into the computer, and after you log in, you can go to Google website, and then you can try to install this and then check. Still not working. The next step is to uninstall Google Chrome. So you can just type in Chrome in Windows search box, make a right click on Google Chrome, then click on uninstall, and in the search box over here, let me cancel this, I'm not going back. So type in Chrome over here, and then you can uninstall Google Chrome. Uninstall it. Now after you uninstall it, I am not uninstalling right now. After you uninstall, delete the folder. So go to this PC, open C drive. Now open program file 686. Now find the Google folder. Here you can see Google. You can make a right click and then you can delete it. Now once this is deleted, now you can go to registry editor. So type in registry editor in Windows search box, and then click on registry editor, click on yes to allow, and then expand. This is HK local machine, then software, then Google. HK local machine, then software, and then find Google in the list. Here you can see Google. You can make a right click and then you can delete this Google. And once this is deleted, now restart your computer. Restart is a must after this. And after the system restart, you can go to the Google website once again, and then you can try to download and install this, and you should not receive error. And then you can reinstall Google Chrome. So whenever you want to reinstall, you can reinstall Google Chrome and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.